Hello students, how are you?
We are fine, sir.
Okay, tell the question.
Sir, please explain us the area of rectangle with definition, formula and examples and easiest method.
With easiest methods. Okay. Guys, today I will teach you about area of rectangles. Yesterday we taught about perimeters of the rectangles, but today we will try to explain that how can we study about area of rectangles properly. Is that clear? But first of all, I will highlight the definition of area of rectangles. That what is the actual definition for area of the rectangles. Is that clear? Okay. Guys, the complete, okay, or you can say total space that covers on a flat surface. This is the actual and genuine and practical definitions for area of rectangles. For the area of rectangles. Am I clear? The complete or total space, it means total space that covers on a flat surface. That is called area of the rectangles. Is that clear? Now I tell you what is the formula for area of rectangles, and which is L multiplied W. L means length and W means width. Is that clear? When you multiply width with length, then you get it area of the rectangles. Is that clear? Okay. Now I explain the area of rectangles with questions. Okay. I create a questions. For example, Rakshita has a garden. Rakshita has a garden. Okay. And its length is 10 meter. Okay. Its width is 15 meter. Find out the area of rectangles. Guys, according to question, we have to find out the area of rectangle. And guys, we have a garden. Its length is 10 meter and its breadth is 15 meters. Okay. So guys, according to formulas, L multiplied W, its mean length is the 10 meter, width is the 15, so 15 meters. And if we multiply, then we will get answer 150 meters is the total space. 150 meter is the total space that cover on a flat surface. It's mean garden. Is that clear? Do you understand? Okay. Now my question is saying that why do we find area for the rectangles? First question. Second, why do we require to find out the area for the rectangles? That's the major questions. That's why I came to here to explain that why do we use the formula for the area of rectangles. Is that clear? Okay, now I explain you. Get it? Guys, I explain you that why do we require to use the area of rectangles. Guys, for example, Anil has a study room. You know guys, Anil is the 12th class commerce student and right now he is studying. His focus is on completely on education right now. Okay. So, Anil, himself cased in a room. He studies in the room. Okay. So Anil has a study room. Okay. The length of room is 20 meters. 20 meters. The length of the room is 20 meters and the width is, of room is, what is this? Is, yes, 20 meters. Okay. That's the question. Anil has a study room and the length of the room is 20 meters and the width of the room is also 20 meters. It's mean 20 by 20. Am I clear? Okay. First of all, we have to find the area. Area of rectangle is L multiply W. It's mean 20 meters multiply 20 meters. It's mean total area is 400 meters. Is that clear? Total area of rectangle, room, sorry. Okay. But guys, that's a wrong concept because today we are learning about rectangles. And rectangles means length and breadth cannot be equal. Is that clear? Cannot be same. So we have to change something. It's mean in the width. So I will write here 15. Is that clear? So guys, width will be 15 meter. Is that clear? So now area will be 300 meters. Is that clear? Do you understand? Because once again I repeat that according to rectangles, the all sides cannot be same. Is that clear? 20 multiply 20 cannot be used as a formula. Just try to understand. So that's why I change here the width size. Is that clear? So width is the 15 meter and length is the 20 meters. So total surface, total space of the room is that 300 meters. Is that clear? Okay. Now question is saying that we have to use a tile. Okay. We have to cover up. Okay. The area with the tiles. Is that clear? So, for example, Anil want to use a ceramic tiles in this room. So, how many tiles we require? How many tiles we require? Is that clear? That's the questions. So, guys, to find out the actual value, actual quantity of the tiles, what shall we do? We have to find out the area. Is that clear? So total area is the 300 meters. And now we have to find out that how many tiles we require. How many tiles do we require? So in that condition, at the first we require the area of the tile also. Is that clear? So guys, now I explain you that. For example, Anil wants to use a tile whose size is 2 multiply 3 meters. 2 meters by 3 meters. It's mean 2 meter length and 3 meter width. Is that clear? Do you understand? What did I say? The length of the tile is 2 meter. The width of the tile is the 3 meters. Is that clear? So first of all we require the area of tile. Area of tile. Is that clear? It's mean L multiply W. It's mean 2 multiply 3. So it's mean 6 meter. It's mean 6 meter. So total space of the tile is 6 meters. Is that clear? It's mean total space of one tile is the 6 meter. Is that clear? And total space of the room is the 300 meters. And now we have to find out that how many tiles we have to use here. In that condition we have to divide. It's mean area by area. Area by area. So guys, my question is saying that we have to find out. We have to find out quantity of tiles for rooms. Okay, so in that condition, area divided by area, it's mean the tiles quantity. It's mean 300 meter divided by 6 meter. Is that clear? So it will be answer 15. It's mean we require 50 tiles for a room. Rooms. Is that clear? 300 meter divided by 6 meter. 6 meter is the total space of the tile. Total space for a tile. Is that clear? And 300 meter is the total space for a room. Is that clear? So 300 meter will be divided by the 6 meters. So we will get answer 50. That's not a 50 meter. 50 is the quantity of the tiles. It's mean we require 50 tiles for a particular room. So guys, that's why we use a formula. Which formula? Area of the rectangles to find out the complete quantity of a tiles. Is that clear? So in that manner we can use area of the rectangles. Is that clear? So guys, I hope you have understood. You have understood the formula, definitions, concept, tricks, etc. we have on these questions. And guys, if you like this video, then you can share it at your social media handles. Thank you so much guys. All the best.